Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you how to add funds in TradeLocker. So friends, access the platform. This is the first step you need to do. Access with login ID and password. Click login. You will see login page. So friends, from this login page, complete your process, login. After that, you will see this dashboard from your accounts. You will see this dashboard. Click on profile icons, scroll down, click add funds, and then choose your fund you want to add. Click add funds. After click choose add funds, write your amount you want to fund. For example, you have this click add funds as I say. When you choose add funds, you can add your money you want to add. This is how you can do, friends. It is this step. Just click add funds and complete your process. I hope this guide helpful for you, friends. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. So choose your amount you want to add and then click confirm. Click confirm. Thanks again for watching.